Question 23. A rhombus has vertices at coordinates -5, -1, and -5, 6. The rhombus is translated using the vector above. What are the new coordinates? Now, you can do this either with or without a diagram. So I'm actually going to do both. I'm going to do it without a diagram first, would you believe? So a vector, what you've got to remember is the top number tells you whether to go left or right, and the bottom number tells you whether to go up or down. And when I say go left or right, go up or down, I mean move each corner. So we're talking about moving corners of the shape. That's what translation is. So if the top number is negative, it means go to the left. If the top number is positive, it means go to the right. If the bottom number is negative, it means go down. If the bottom number is positive, it means go up. Now, what you can see is we've got -3, and that's negative. So that means we're going to go 3 to the left, and 2, that's also negative, it means we're going to go 2 down. So we're basically going to go 3 to the left and 2 down. Now, if you take this first coordinate here, what you've got to realize is what each number in the coordinate means. So that -5 means go 5 to the left. I'm actually going to put the directions using a couple of little arrows. So that's 5 to the left, and -1 is 1 down. And this is 5 to the left, and +6 is 6 up. But what we've got to do now is basically say, well, what would happen if instead of 5 to the left, we went an extra 3 to the left? Well, if you go 5 to the left and then an extra 3 to the left, that would actually be 8 to the left. And 8 to the left is -8. Okay. And it's the same on this one. 5 to the left, extra 3 to the left is going to be -8, 8 to the left. Now we'll do the down ones. Well, we've got to go an extra 2 down. So if you're going 1 down already here, an extra 2 down means 3 down altogether. And 3 down altogether is -3. If you're going 6 up, because that 6 means 6 up, but from being 6 squares up, you go 2 down, that leaves you on only 4 squares up, because 6 - 2 is 4. So that's going to be 4 squares up. And that basically is going to be your 2 answers. So it's going to be -8, -3, and it's going to be -8, 4. Now, we are going to demonstrate that using a grid, because if worst comes to worst, you could actually draw a grid. So let's just label our axes. So that's going to go 0 in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Now, I think at this point it's worth saying that a rhombus actually has 4 corners, and we're actually only given the coordinates of 2 of them, so we don't know the other 2 corners. But let's not worry about that at the moment. That actually doesn't really matter.